How to make this super realistic talking head animation. Today's video is sponsored by the Great Apple Eater. The first thing you need to do is to cut the part of the audio that you want to use, copy it into another timeline and export it. Make sure that the export video box is unchecked, and for the audio set the format to WAV, the sample rate to 44,100, and the bit depth to 16. Export the file and go back to your original timeline. Open your photo in the Fusion page, add a matte control node and a merge node after. Bring a polygon mask in empty space and draw a shape around the lower part of the mouth. Connect this mask to the green point of the matte control. With the matte control selected, change the combine mode to combine the alpha channel and check the post multiply image box. Check the invert matte box and you have your cutout. Bring another matte control node in empty space. Connect your clip to the yellow point of this second matte and the mask to the green point. Change the combine mode again to combine alpha and check the post multiply box. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground and you have the setup ready. Add a transform node after the second matte. Right-click to the center value and select to modify it with XY path. Go to the Modifies tab and uncheck the keyframe button for the X and the Y. Right-click to the Y slider and select to modify it with the Suck Less audio. For this you need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the Suck Less modifier. Import your audio file. Check the invert values box. Set the amplitude offset to 0.5 and bring down the amplitude scale slider to adjust the strength of the movement. Play around with the different modes to find out what works best for you. In case that you want to cut out your subject, bring a polygon mask in empty space, draw a rough shape around your subject and connect it to your clip. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, this is a free YouTube video.